have been shaped more by the things you survived than by the things that you have been blessed by. You are wiser because of pain. You are smarter because of pain. You are stronger because of pain. The Lord has done more in you through the garden than he has through mountaintops. I'm wired like this because of stuff I have survived in the streets and in the kingdom. And for as much as you be trying to rip those stories out of your life, just check your past. The Lord has done more in you through what he has crushed you in than just making life feel flowery all the time. It be people, you got everything on the outside, all the trappings of worldly success, and still crushed on the inside. The Lord won't change that yet. Why? He's using that to just keep you just dependent enough to call on him, because he will never create for you a life that makes him unnecessary. You could be wealthy and he'll leave a little insecurity. You could be wealthy, he'll leave a little bit of brokenness. You could be bubbling, he'll leave a little bit of drama. He'll leave just enough in your life to make you realize you can't do this on